Thank you for tuning back in. Today, we're going to talk about Seaside, Florida. Seaside, Florida resides along the Emerald Coastline, the Gulf of Mexico. This small, quaint, southern, beachy feeling town has an average cost of house in the roughly $3 million range. It's a very upscale feeling town, very small and quaint, like I said. This area is centralized within Seaside and allows you for shopping, restaurants, music. They do yoga on Saturday mornings, and just a great place to kind of hang out and relax and just watch people walk by. Very quaint, small little town, like I said. If you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, it does help us out, letting us know that you are enjoying watching these videos. And we're going to continue to make more videos just like this, explaining the Emerald Coast and why and what it has going for it. So I'm going to put on some music as you follow along here and get familiar with Seaside and some of the great views it has and some of the great things that it does offer in this quaint, small, little 30A located beach town.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here